Now, when it comes to camping chairs, this is actually a pretty high-end chair. It is very sturdy and it's also surprisingly comfortable. It has this aluminum frame with a black finish. It's just made from a bunch of these different aluminum tubes. And then there's also these different hardened plastic pieces for all of the joints. And then the actual seat is made from an Oxford cloth with a polyurethane coating. So it's both very durable as well as water resistant. A large pocket on this side and then a slightly smaller pocket on the other side. And then up at the top there is also a very nice foam head pillow for some extra comfort. And then when it comes to comfort, this thing is surprisingly comfortable. It supports me very well and it does have a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. But since the fabric is kind of just suspended in the air, it basically just forms right around me and is a very nice laid back chair. Now this would not be a camping chair if it did not fold up, and this one makes it very easy to fold up. To fold it up, you're going to grab this tab here and pull the fabric off of this post and then slide it off of the top. And then you can pop all the aluminum tubes out of their sockets. You can see they're held in by that elastic band. Just start popping all of them out, and then these longer ones come apart like this, just like that. Then in the center here, you can see there is this pin, so you're gonna push that and then fold that together like so. The legs out and fold those together as well. And once you have it all kind of strapped together, you'll have this wrapped up bundle. Then it comes with this very nicely made bag, and you can stick this right into it. Of course, along with the rolled up seat cover and the pillow. It has a nice adjustable shoulder strap as well as these two handles on the sides. I wanted to point out that all of the sleeves that the tubes slide up into are very well stitched and reinforced, especially here where the bottom tubes slide into. This is a very thick reinforced pocket, very well stitched together. It is very sturdy. So yeah, overall I am very happy with this chair. It is really sturdy, it's also nice and comfortable, and it's a very lightweight portable design.